Charles Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist. He is most famous for his groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection. Darwin's revolutionary ideas fundamentally changed how we think about life on Earth and our place in the natural world. Before Darwin, many people believed that species were fixed and unchanging, created in their current form and remaining the same forever. Through his observations, particularly of the finches in the Galápagos Islands, Darwin showed that species could change over time through a process he called natural selection. He proposed that all living things share a common ancestor, suggesting a tree of life where all species are interconnected. Darwin's work was highly controversial in his time, challenging the established views of creation and the origins of life. Today, his theory of evolution is the foundation of modern biology, influencing countless scientific disciplines and research. His ideas help us understand the incredible diversity of life on our planet, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, and everything in between. Charles Darwin was born in 1809 in England. His father was a doctor and his grandfather was a famous scientist. Darwin was always interested in the natural world. As a boy, Darwin collected insects and fossils. He loved to explore the countryside near his home. He went to Edinburgh University to study medicine, but he didn't like it. Darwin later went to Cambridge University to study theology. However, he continued to pursue his passion for natural history. He learned from botanists and geologists. In 1831, Charles Darwin embarked on a life-changing journey. This voyage would not only shape his future, but also revolutionize the field of natural science. He joined the crew of HMS Beagle as a naturalist, a role that required him to study the natural world and document his findings meticulously. The Beagle was a ship on a surveying expedition around the world, tasked with mapping coastlines and making scientific discoveries. Darwin's job was to observe and collect specimens of plants, animals, and fossils. He meticulously gathered data which would later become crucial to his groundbreaking theories. The voyage took 5 years, a period during which Darwin faced numerous challenges but also made incredible discoveries. Darwin visited many places, including South America, the Galápagos Islands, and Australia. Each location offered unique opportunities to study diverse ecosystems and species. On the Galápagos Islands, Darwin made some of his most important observations. The unique wildlife there provided him with invaluable insights. He noticed that the finches on different islands had different beaks, adapted to their specific environments and food sources. This helped him develop his theory of natural selection, a concept that would forever change our understanding of life on Earth. His meticulous notes and observations laid the foundation for this revolutionary idea. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection explains how species change over time. This groundbreaking idea revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. It has 3 main parts that are crucial to understanding the process. First, there is variation within a species. This means that individuals within the same species exhibit different characteristics. Individuals are not all the same. They have different traits, such as size, color, and shape, which can affect their survival. Second, these traits are heritable. This means that the traits can be passed down from parents to offspring through genetic information. They can be passed down from parents to offspring, ensuring that beneficial traits are retained in the population. Third, there is a struggle for existence. In nature, resources such as food, water, and shelter are limited. Not all individuals survive to reproduce. Those that do are often the ones best adapted to their environment. Individuals with traits that help them survive and reproduce are more likely to pass on those traits. This is natural selection, the driving force behind evolution, shaping the diversity of life we see today. Darwin spent many years developing his theory of evolution. He collected evidence from his travels, experiments, and discussions with other scientists. In 1859, Darwin published his most famous book, On the Origin of Species. In this book, he presented his theory to the world. On the Origin of Species was a groundbreaking work. It revolutionized biology and challenged traditional views of life on Earth. The book was both praised and criticized. Charles Darwin's work had a profound impact on science and society. His theory of evolution is one of the most important ideas in human history. Darwin's work helped to establish the field of evolutionary biology. It continues to inspire new discoveries and advancements in fields such as genetics and medicine. Darwin's ideas also influenced philosophy, religion, and social thought. His work sparked debates about the nature of humanity and our place in the universe.